Hi, it's Nick Aster with TriplePundit.com. We're here at the 2013 Sustainable Brands Conference in San Diego, California. I'm here with Meghan Ryan. You are a student at the Bard MBA in Sustainability, and Bard's been a great collaborator and supporter of Triple Pundit over the years, so we thank you guys for that. We were talking a little bit earlier, and you told me that Bard now has a consulting class. Can you tell us, what does that mean?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Bard MBA in Sustainability has a really innovative consulting class called NYC Lab. And in this year-long consulting class, small teams of Bard MBA students, about 4 or 5 of us per team, get to work with clients that are nonprofits, for-profits, global corporations, to help them to address social or environmental challenges to their businesses or organizations.
Sounds pretty ideal. And have you been working on one of these projects yourself? What have you been doing?
I have. I had the opportunity for the past year to work with Unilever through their social innovation and R&D group based in Port Sunlight in the UK. And they were asking us to get really creative in terms of addressing the problem of under-electrification in developing markets. And they wanted us to do that by looking for a product that they might be able to bring into the Unilever family of brands, bring into through their social innovation and R&D segments of their business to be able to commercialize. So they had us do lots of primary and secondary research to identify some of the most interesting and innovative design-based products that could be used to bring electricity to rural areas. We focused on Ghana for our project, so we got to do quite a lot of research with folks on the ground there, Unilever's own teams, nonprofits and NGOs, World Bank and UN folks who are connected to that energy landscape in Ghana, and we identified some really interesting and promising products that it seemed like Unilever got pretty excited about. And we also had the opportunity to develop some business concepts around how Unilever could leverage its incredible distribution systems and networks, its great understanding of its consumers, to be able to bring those products to market.
This sounds like the fantasy MBA project. I love it.
It was really incredible. It was for me one of the most exciting things that I got to work on the first year of my MBA, and I know that many of the other students felt the same way, getting to work on a really concrete and very real challenge within such an incredible business.
And what about the other students? Any other exciting projects that they were working on concurrently?
Yes, so there was one team that was working for Terrapin Bright Green, which is a terrific green consulting firm based in New York City. They have an affiliation with Cook Fox Architects, an incredible and renowned architecture and design firm. And they were doing an internal sustainability audit for the actual Terrapin Bright Green office. So looking at everything from how much paper they buy and their electricity bills, what they're doing with their green roof and their beehives, and giving them a sense of where they were, showing them where they were doing well, and also making some recommendations about areas that they might be able to strengthen and bolster. That was a really neat one. And we also had another team that worked with a Metropolitan Waterfront Alliance, which is a nonprofit advocacy group that was sort of a consortium convening group for many different players in the waterfront space in New York City. And they were working with them to try to figure out the best ways to leverage the partnerships that they already have and maybe bring new folks into the fold to address the challenges that New York City is facing in the post-Sandy sort of world. So those were 2 projects that I thought were incredibly interesting to get to see unfold as we did ours for Unilever.
Wonderful stuff. Well, we congratulate you on the project, and thanks for your time.
Thanks so much.